for f x y equals to x exponent x squared y, find f sub x and f sub y and evaluate each partial derivative at the point 1 ln 2. So for f x y equals to x exponent x squared y, the first partial derivative of x, we're going to use product rules. This is going to be our u and this is going to be our v, because we have x terms in u, we also have x terms in v. So we have two different functions in terms of product, so we're going to use product rules. So we know that product rules is u v prime plus v u prime. So u is the x and v prime. So for exponent x squared y, we're gonna use exponent rules. The exponent rules is we're going to differentiate, then we're going to copy down exponent of x. That's how we're going to differentiate exponent of x. So we're going to differentiate x squared y with respect to x is 2xy exponent x squared y plus v is exponent x squared y, and differentiate x with respect to x is 1. So let us factorize before we substitute the point. Exponent x squared y times with 2x squared y plus 1. So if we substitute the point 1 ln 2 into fx, so let us substitute exponent x squared. The x just now is 1, right? So 1 square is 1 times y is ln 2 times with 2 times 1 square times 2 is 2 ln 2 plus 1. So if we substitute, we're going to get exponent ln 2 times with 2 ln 2 plus 1. So we're going to get 4.77, three significant figures. So let us find the first partial derivative with respect to y. So for the first partial derivative with respect to y, we're not going to use product rules. You may use product rules if you want, but I'm not going to, because we only have y terms, just one y terms in exponent x squared y. So this x is going to be our constant. So just write down the constant x. Now we're going to differentiate exponent x squared y with respect to y using these rules. So differentiate x squared y with respect to y. We're going to use constant multiple rules. So we're going to get x squared and copy down exponent x squared y. So we're going to get x cubed exponent x squared y. So at the point 1 ln 2, so what's the value for f sub y? Is 1 cubed is 1. So exponent 1 square is 1 times with ln 2. So exponent ln 2 is 2. For f sub x is 4.77, and for f sub y is 2 at the point 1 ln 2. So that's it.